To access your dashboard, you must first open your web browser and enter the Nabu Pro application URL provided to you, which is usually your company name.nabu.app. We strongly recommend that you save this link in your bookmarks. Alternatively, you can navigate to our website at nabupro.com and use the connection button located in the top right corner. Enter the company code included in your activation email to be redirected to your company's application. You will arrive at the login page. For your first login attempt, you will need to enter your email address and your temporary password, which was sent to you via email after the activation of your account by a supervisor. The email comes directly from a no-reply@nabupro.com address, which may go or not to your junk mail, so don't forget to verify there too. If you are not able to log in because you did not receive your temporary password, or if you happen to forget it, do not worry. You can click on Forgot Password on the login page, then enter your account's email address in the field, and click on Send Instructions. You will receive an email in your mailbox shortly, allowing you to set a new password for your account. Upon successfully logging in for the first time, you will be prompted to read and accept the platform's terms and conditions of use. After accepting the terms, you are now asked to change your temporary password. Your new password will require at least 8 characters, including 1 uppercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. When you are done, click on Save to update your password. You will then be redirected to your dashboard. Before you get started, you may want to change the language of your application if your account settings are not set according to your personal preferences. In order to do so, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and click on My Account. In the information section to your left, you can choose your preferred language for the platform. Click on Save to update your changes. We can now navigate back to the dashboard. This landing page will be the first window presented whenever you log into your Nabu Pro application.